Russian company United Aircraft Corporation had proposed a partnership with India to locally manufacture the Il-76MD 90A strategic airlifter, to replace the Indian Air Force's fleet of 17 Il-76MD heavy transport aircraft. United Aircraft has suggested that local production in India could be beneficial by using existing infrastructure and trained personnel, potentially leading to cost reductions and a faster procurement process. The Ukrainian military has inducted a new unmanned aerial system capable of releasing streams of molten metal to ignite concealed military targets. The low-flying Dragon drone disperses a mixture of aluminum powder and iron oxide, which burns at an intense 4,000 degrees Fahrenheit, and can easily burn through almost anything, including trees that typically provide cover to Russian troops. The U.S. State Department approved a potential foreign military sale to the government of Singapore, including the delivery of advanced AIM-120C8 air-to-air missiles and associated equipments. The AIM-120C8 is an improved version with extended range and enhanced resistance to electronic jamming sensors. Its range, estimated at over 100 kilometers, allows it to engage targets before they pose a threat to the launching aircraft. Recent reports on Chinese social media have unveiled an innovative use of FPV drones equipped with QBZ-95 assault rifles by the Chinese military. These drones are being used for targeted shooting, offering the ability to engage enemies from a distance while minimizing risks to operational forces.